Hi guys, welcome back. Dan here from Design Mountain, bringing you all things design. This week we're going to take a look at how to model an iPhone in SolidWorks. This is a super popular product that's got relatively simple form, so should be a great exercise for anyone that's fairly new to SolidWorks that wants to learn something a bit new. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name's Dan Mogridge. I'm a design consultant based in the UK, and the aim of the channel is to share my design knowledge, have a bit of fun, and meet some like-minded people along the way. If you've seen any of the videos or found them helpful, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button as we've got content coming weekly. Alright guys, let's jump in and take a look. Hi guys, so I'm just going to jump in, start a new part. I'm going to select the top plane and I'm going to sketch a centre rectangle that is 75mm wide by 150 high. I'm going to select the sketch fillet tool and apply 10mm fillet to each corner of the rectangle. Exit the sketch, go to the extrude, select 4mm and go in one direction. I'm going to select the right plane. I'm going to use the intersection curve tool, select two faces and click on the intersection curve, and that will give you the intersection sketch between the plane and the body. Select the 3-point arc, make the width 2.5 and make it tangent to the vertical sketch element. Exit the sketch, go up to Sweet Cut, select the sketch as your profile, go to Selection Manager, select Entities, right click, select Open Loop, and that will give you the path. And there we have the half of the profile of the case, which looks quite nice. Now we're going to select the top face, go to Offset Sketch, go 0.4 externally, come up to Surfaces, Extrude Surface. We want the blind element go down. I think we've gone 5mm there, just to make sure it extrudes past the body. Going to use the split tool now, because we want to split one body into two. Select the surface as the trim tool and select the bodies for it to cut. You can now see in the feature tree we've gone from 1 to 2 bodies. Select the right plane now, and we're going to create a horizontal sketch. So we're going to offset the top edge by 0.4. If you want to fully define this sketch, I think I go 75mm from the outer point to the centre plane. And this sketch we're going to use to trim the surface, so when we've fully defined it, go up to Surfaces, Trim Surface, and then select the bottom portion to remove, so you're left with the top part of the surface. So we're now just going to come in and use the thicken cut. So this is a nice tool. I'm going to select the surface, apply a thickness that we want the cut to be. In this case I'm using mid-plane, and this is going to simulate a split line on the part. We're going to select both bodies because the cut is going to affect both bodies. And then that's given us the split line detail on the part, which is nice. Just going to come in and select the 1mm fillet, make sure you select the right edge, unlike me here. So select the top edge, And then when you've done that, we're just going to mirror the bodies, going to mirror them separately. So we're going to mirror the outer body and merge it, and then mirror the inner body and merge it. So here we're creating the camera detail on the back of the case body. This is relatively simple, so I'm not going to talk a lot over here. This is just a series of extrudes and extrude cuts, so I'm going to let you guys watch it and follow it. So this part we're going to look at doing the speaker element on the bottom, and I'm just going to start by creating a reference plane that is I think it's 18mm from the front plane. So once you've done that, select the plane to sketch on. We're going to draw this 1.5 diameter circle that's 22.5 from the central right plane. And once we've done that, we're going to extrude cut into the outer body. So to make sure when you do the extrude cut you select the outer body. Now we're going to use the linear pattern tool, so using the right plane as the reference, and then just set your spacings up to get it how you want it. And use the mirror tool to mirror the pattern over the other side, using the right plane as the mirror plane. And I think now we're just going to look at the charged detail at the bottom. So you're going to select the plane, same plane, and use the slot sketch tool. And if you haven't used the slot sketch tool, it's really nice. You can quickly create slot geometry easily. Just going to make it coincident with the plane. And then a nice feature with this is I want the overall dimension of the slot, so it's not giving me that. So if you left click on the arrows, you can select the min or max options for the dimension on the slot there, so that's quite nice. So this is the final talking I'm going to do over the video now. Just going to create a reference plane on the side. So 80 divided by 2 is 40mm, flip the offset. And this is the process for creating the buttons in a multi-body part. So the process is repeated for all of the buttons, so I'm just going to talk over how we did it for one. So we're going to come onto the sketch plane, going to select the slot tool again, and going to dimension it. We want the overall dimension again, so do what we said earlier, select the leaders, go max max. Once we've dimensioned it up, we're going make it 1.25. Divided by 2, yeah, 1.25. And just fully define it, so give it a width there. And to the overall. Yeah, so edge to edge. And call it 35. We're now going to go up to the extrude surface. And just call it 16, deep, going blind. And we're now going to use the split tool again. So select the surface as the trim tool and the body to cut the bodies, and select both the bodies to keep. Hide the surface, and we've basically just separated the button. We've created another body. So I've just hid that now. I'm going to come to the move face tool. This is great direct editing tool. Select the offset as 0.1. We're going to select the faces, and we're going to flip the direction because we want to give it some tolerance. So show the body again. It's quite a nice way of creating precision detail on a multi-body part. Going to move that face out as well, so 0.2 I think we said, just to increase the button detail. So yeah, it's quite a nice way. We basically repeat this process for the rest of the video, so keep watching guys, and good luck finishing it. Alright guys, so that's it. That is the iPhone done for this week. I hope you found it helpful. Drop me a comment, let me know, did you follow the video okay? Was it interesting? Did you like it? Let me know your thoughts. As always, I would love to hear from you guys. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again next week. Thanks guys. Bye.